Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LA, and today I have a special guest with me. We have Nichelle I.
Whewwww Productions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LA here, and today I have a special guest with me. We have Nichelle I. She also has a channel, so I'll put her information down below so you guys can subscribe to her and follow her on Instagram. But today we will be doing a challenge of styling Walmart clothes. We're both into fashion and like styling, so we thought this would be a good idea for us. So basically we will have $50 to find a complete outfit, except we'll complete it with our shoes back at home.
We don't want those Walmart shoes.
Yeah, we can't do that. I don't know what they have, but it's not going to work. But basically that's it. So we'll just take you guys with us. So see you there. Alright guys, so we're in Walmart. We're about to split up, so see you later.
Maybe I'll be forever in your favorite. Alright, we're in Walmart, y'all. This is really a challenge. We're splitting up. My cart mad loud though. She in my way.
Alright guys, so I'm in the women's section right now in Walmart. Yeah. Don't really know what I'm looking for. Don't know what look I'm going for, but I do have to get 2 looks, so I want to try to do something kind of... Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I see, okay?
Y'all know I love me some deals. So
I know that is
mind your business. You don't got nothing in your cart though.
Actually, I do. Mind your business.
What's in your cart?
What's in yours?
Don't worry about it. She all in my stuff. LaShawn can't beat me. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, she got plaid pink.
Alright guys, so I just picked up these 2 plaid pants. I don't know which one I'm gonna get yet, but I just have them just to see which one I like better. So Alright, so right here I see these basic turtlenecks, and you can't go wrong with that because they're basic and you can really wear them with anything. So I think I might pick these up. They do have different colors. I have olive green, which is really popular for the fall. This little nudish color, a mustard yellow, and they have white and red. And honestly, I'm not seeing anything in my size, so I don't even know if I'll get these. But stay tuned to find out, okay? And they're actually $7.96, which isn't bad at all. So yeah.
I'm about to go to the men's section. She don't know nothing about that. Let's go to the men's section. We out of this thing. Deuces!
Alright, so now I'm looking at men's graphics.
And
I'm about to go to the men's section. She don't know nothing about that. Let's go to the men's.
Alright, so now I'm looking at men's graphics because you can't go wrong with a graphic tee. You can dress those up or down. It's really just up to you. They have a few. I'm going to show you what they have, and then I'll show you what I choose from this selection, okay? So they have this Vicky graphic that I like, and they also have this Tupac one. I'm going to see if they have my size, but that is the 2 that I like so far out of all of these. And guys, the graphics are only literally like $8. And the matching crew necks to go with them. They are all $6.94, and as you can see, they have different colors. I'm actually wearing a pair now because if you know me, you know I just love sweatpants. But yeah, they're easy. You can wear them together as a fit, or you can style them with something else. Right now I think I'm gonna grab a gray pair because gray is one of my favorite colors to wear, and you can just wear it with anything. So I think I'm gonna grab a gray pair. Alright guys, so I got the light gray pair in a size medium. As you can see, I literally have on the red ones right now. Honestly, y'all, I'm just grabbing stuff right now, and then I'll probably like try things on and piece them together in the fitting room. Yeah, that way I can know, because I'm not buying all of this shit. I'm not, and that's just that. All right, y'all, I'm leaving her because she's stepping outside. Tell her hurry up. I know we said we weren't gonna get shoes, but I'm about to show y'all what they have because I was not buying these shoes. I just wasn't. Get that outside recording. I don't want to record you. And this is Walmart's selection of shoes. These Vincent booties are actually pretty cute, but I don't think I'm gonna get them. But they are really cute. So if you're looking for some cute booties, here are some snake print ones right here.
She cheating, y'all. Look. She cheating.
I just showed y'all this, and look
She
what I got.
cheating. Yo, this is overwhelming me.
It's just a lot of stuff.
I don't know what to do.
I put on that. I'm gonna go try stuff on and see what I like.
I still need stuff.
Hurry up, because I'm almost done, sweetie. So get with it.
Yo, she fucking mad, yo.
Alright guys, so I'm in the fitting room now and I'm about to try on a couple things and see what I like. So yeah, make sure you guys saw my May wait to the end to show you. So yeah, let's see what we get.
Okay, y'all, so I'm in the Walmart fitting room. They only allow 6 items. So I have this stuff. I'm gonna try it on really quick. And yeah, let's see.
Alright guys, so we've been in here for like an hour. How long has it been? Like an hour and a half? We've been here for like an hour and a half and I'm tired, I'm hot. My hair looks a mess, I'm trying all this shit on. So I think we're about to call it a wrap. Add everything up and yeah, check it out and then we'll see you back at the house because we're both over it. Oh, look who's up. So the challenge was $50 and look how much stuff she has to get. And I'm pretty sure this is the most expensive thing. So what are you gonna do?
And I got 2 pair of jeans.
Well, I'm pretty sure my total's over 50, so I think we both failed. But who's closest to 50 is who truly wins. I am, because you already passed my goal, like you already passed what I meant almost. Without your jacket, is
I can't control myself.
y'all, we're supposed to spend $50, but it's okay because I'm over it too.
Even if we put under 100, I still lost.
Yeah, you still went over 100, sis.
Well,
It's okay, but like at least you got your looks, and that's what was important. So let's go.
but these looks are trash.
But I'm over it too, so it's okay.
Let's see how
I'm
much
about to
she
check out, so let's see what my total is. Spent $78.98. I'm like 20, almost $30 over, but guess what? I didn't spend $100. So let's just put this together and put these looks together and we'll see. Okay. Alright guys, so we're back at the house. We're about to put these looks together and record and show you what we got from Walmart. So yeah.
Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so for this look, I just wanted to keep it really chill and simple just because that's how I like to be. So I got this Vicky graphic tee. It was $8, I believe, and it's out of the men's section. I paired it with these gray sweatpants that I showed you guys. They were like $6.90. And then I also got this flannel that has a hoodie on the side, and this hoodie was like $17, I believe. So this is a complete look, and then I also paired it with my black and white Nike Cortez. And there's some change, you know, to give a little pop. And just little cute little girly bags to have a couple of things to it. So yeah, that's my first look. Something cute and chill.
Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feelin' me. That's how they feel, I'm Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no fiction, no stain. That's how the chain with the beat. All the water like rain on the disco beat. Smoke up and like I'm moving to. I'm riding the roads like a vintage. Yeah, we gon' got some Chanel.
Alright guys, so I have a neutral look for my first look. I just paired this neutral color turtleneck that only cost $8 with my cheetah / leopard print pants that were only $15, and I paired them with my white Reeboks and rings that I already had on, bracelets that I already had, and my necklaces that I always wear. This is super chill, and yeah, if you want to dress it up, you can put heels with it too, but we're keeping it cool
Alright guys, so for my second look, I just wanted to do something cute. So I got these flare plaid pants, which were $18. I paired it with this nice black long cardigan, which is very thick and warm for the winter and fall. This is $22. And then I also paired it with this green turtleneck, which I got for $8. And then I paired it with some black booties, with a little red on the top and the back, and this nice little bag. Yeah, this was this look.
Alright, so for this look, I don't know what to call this vibe, but it works. So this top is $15. The belt bag, which I love, is only $12. And then these Wrangler jeans, I got these from the men's section and they were $18.
Lick 2 shots in the atmosphere.
And then, I don't know. Oh,
You ever hit the wall?
I can't hit it. 2, 3.
Wait, we gotta do it together!
Okay.
Wait, how we gonna do
Hit
it?
it.
How you doing the show? She dropping the butt on the hook.
I don't even know how to do it.
Alright. You gotta like lift it.
You gotta go.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Oh, you have to go.
Like,
Are you
Yeah.
ready? And you say and period. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And period.
It was already recorded.
Oh, sorry.
She don't know nothing about no camera. This my YouTube channel. That's my YouTube channel. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to.
offend you with
Hi guys. Welcome back to.
I promise you
Hi guys. Welcome back to my
I promise
YouTube channel.
you today. He said, what you say?
Promise